Today, we have the ever-popular Toño and Toña here to help demonstrate reflexive verbs. Ready, little dudes? Okay, first one, non-reflexive. Toño y Toña lavan el perro. And now for the reflexive. Toño y Toña se lavan las manos. Good job, guys. Now, everybody, see if you can figure out if this one is reflexive or not. Toña se seca las manos. So, if you said reflexive, you are totally correct. Congratulations. Next, what about this one? Toño peina el perro. Excellent call. Non-reflexive. And now, last one, the grand finale. Toño y Toña se peinan. Whoa, you are on a roll. Reflexive it is. Great job. So, let's give our ace actors Toño and Toña a big hand.
Oh, please, you're embarrassing us.
It was nothing, really.
Trust us, nothing.
Can we leave now?